Hey, Instagram, I am live and I'm going to give it a minute for people to hop on. But if you are here with me live, feel free to say hi in the comments. I'd love to see you. Hi, Nicole. Great to see you. I'm going to talk to you guys tonight about fat loss over 40 because, listen, fat loss is a little different over 40 than it was when we were 20, when we were 30, and it's just not the same. And if it feels hard, well, it is hard, right? But it's hard for different reasons. So I'm going to talk a little bit about consistency also, because most women over 40, they don't have a fat loss problem. They have a consistency problem, and it's disguised as a fat loss problem. Like what we think is a fat loss problem is actually a consistency problem. Hi, y'all. It's so good to see y'all saying hi. Thank y'all for saying hi and joining me. From Sweden. Somebody is from Sweden. Amazing. So I am literally just taking the time tonight to talk to y'all about some things I've been seeing in my DMs, because when I see a question over and over in the DMs, I want to come in and address that. So what I'm seeing in my DMs is things like, oh, Casey, I do so good Monday through Thursday, and then boom, Friday hits and just the weekend, just my progress goes out the window, right? Or I do all the right things and I'm just not seeing the results. Or I go all in for a few days and then I just completely fall off. So everything I just said, all of those DMs that get to me, I do reply to y'all, just so you know. If you ever DM me, I'm going to reply to you. So all of those are consistency problems. They end up being a fat loss problem, but it's because the root of it is a consistency problem. So I'm going to talk about 3 shifts that you might need to have in order to actually get results for fat loss over 40. So that's what I'm talking about today. I also want to mention that I am going a lot deeper into this in a free masterclass next week. I have a free masterclass, y'all, I'm giving next week. It's called the 4-Step Jumpstart to Fat Loss Over 40. You can go to my link in bio and join, or you can go to thecaloriedeficitqueen.com. And I think scroll and it's right at the top, join here to register for my free masterclass. This live that I'm doing is like a snippet. I'm doing an hour free masterclass next week. I have a couple dates open so you can choose, because I know y'all's schedules are crazy. I get it. So let's talk about why fat loss feels harder over 40 and why it might actually be a consistency problem. So shift number 1, you don't have as much wiggle room with inconsistency anymore. In other words, your margin for error, your margin for inconsistency is actually a lot smaller now than it was when you were in your 20s and 30s. And that is mostly because starting in our 30s, we start to lose about 5% of muscle mass, lean muscle mass per decade. So I am 50. So had I not done something about that, then I would be about 10% less muscle mass. What does that do to me? That lowers my resting metabolic rate. In other words, my metabolism's not firing the way it used to. So therefore, my margin of inconsistency is way smaller window. So it's actually working. You have to be a lot more consistent in order to see results, right? But that's true with more than just diet, right? Because I know we all try the whole diet and exercise things. So that's the first shift, is we have to think in those terms, that if our margin of error is smaller, okay, how am I going to address that, right? Shift number 2, your all or nothing thinking cycle. Oh, this is such a big one. The all or nothing thinking cycle is costing you more now. In other words, you're trying the new shiny diet that your cousin Deborah is trying, or your neighbor Karen is trying, and you're going all in, and it might last a week or two, but it also might be restrictive. Paused. Oh, looks like I'm back. I don't know what paused. Anyways, it might be restrictive. It might be something that you're trying to get to the gym at an unreasonable time for your schedule, all of those things, because in your mind, you're like, I'm doing all of it or I'm doing none of it. And that right there is going to sabotage you every single time. Like, we can't be in that all or nothing cycle. We have to find something that is a middle ground. And then shift to number 3. You think that you're doing all the things right? But you might actually be making fat loss harder with what you think is right. In other words, what women think over 40, a lot of times what we think is right is doing more cardio, more restriction, more, we just want to pile on more and more information, right? I need more information. I need more restriction. I hear women all the time tell me, I'm going to cut out sugar for the next month. Okay, well, great. What are you going to do for the rest of your life? Like, you don't need more of anything. What you need is something different, right? We don't need more information. What we need is action, and we need something different. We need something that fits your life. We need something that fits into you after 40, right? So if you don't have a system that fits your life after 40, that does not have restriction, right? Because if we restrict ourselves, y'all know what happens after restriction, right? Like, I did it. I know what happens after restriction, right? I told myself what year was that? I think it was 2013. I was going to cut out all sugar. It was like January 1st. I was going to cut all sugar out. And I did. And then what do you know? Valentine's Day hit, and boom, I was in a box of chocolates, and that was it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I had a whole box of chocolates that night. I remember this very well. And then after that, I was like, it's on. I need all the chocolate right now. And I was binging chocolate and I gained all the weight back. And there I was in a yo-yo cycle again. So it's not about restriction of a certain food. It's not about, I'm going to go all in and do this 75 hard workout. It's not about that. It's not about how can I get more information about what I need to do. That's not what it's about. It's about setting up the right systems for you. And I just wanted to pop in and tell y'all that I am hosting a free masterclass next week, next Thursday. I'm hosting a free masterclass at 7 p.m. Central Time. So that's 5 Pacific Time, 8 Eastern Time. But I am also hosting some more the next week on May 4th and May 5th. They're all free. If you feel like you're stuck in this whole starting over cycle, and I say that from a place of love because I am somebody who also was stuck in that cycle for years. If you feel like you're stuck in that cycle of starting over and over, or you start strong but you just can't seem to stick with it, then this might be a really great use of your time. I can tell you that what I have to teach in this masterclass is valuable. And for anybody who shows up live to it, I'm also giving a free guide to people who show up live because I want y'all to get results. I want y'all to know that when I post a video, I think I posted a video earlier about, I'm doing a series where I'm eating chocolate this week. I do love chocolate. I really do. I honestly, that's not a lie. I do have chocolate every day. But I have a plan for it. I don't just wing it. I have a plan. And when you have a system and when you have a plan and you do not wing it, then you can still get to your body composition goals every time. I have seen it now. I've kept the weight off. I lost 70 pounds in end of 2020, beginning of 2021. It was it took me 8 months to do that, and almost a year. And I can tell you though, that when I did it, this in 2020, 2021, 5 years ago, I knew then I knew that it was going to be the last time I ever lost weight. I knew that I was never going to gain it back. And I know now that I'm never gaining it back. But I have that freedom now. I have that freedom because I did something different. I didn't rely on the same things that I'd been relying on every other time. I didn't just white knuckle my way through another diet, keto, Weight Watchers, y'all, I can name them all. South Beach. Has anybody tried those? Like, put the ones you've tried below, because I can tell you, I mean, most of the women I coach, like, we've tried all of them. So, join me in the masterclass next week. And if you can't join me next week, Thursday, then join me May 4th or May 5th. I'm going to do it again then. I only do this like a couple times a year. But I want to share the knowledge of what we women over 40 should be working on and working towards. That's my computer in the background giving me my light. Because I was too lazy to get my ring light out. All right. Anybody have any questions? I am open to answer them for a few minutes. And I have not been scrolling on my phone. If you have a question, feel free. I am yours. I repeat how to reach? Yeah, I can. Go to thecaloriedeficitqueen.com or go to my profile and click on that link. Like, you know how you go to a person's profile and you see all their videos? At the top, there's a link. Just click on that link and you'll see a place to register. Or you can just go to thecaloriedeficitqueen.com. And like, it's very little scrolling that you have to do at the top. It's, register for my free masterclass. That's there. But that is how you would register for it. And again, I have a couple dates open because I want to make sure that, as many people can come as can come. Anybody else have a question for me? Because y'all, I get it. Fat loss over 40 can be frustrating. I have been coaching women now for about 4 years. And I can say that I have coached hundreds of women. And I have seen patterns. And the funny thing is that the patterns are real. And the patterns are the same patterns that I remember having. And it's not just diet patterns and exercise patterns, y'all. It is patterns in thinking. So I'm going rogue here, but back in 2021, I dug deep into behavioral science and what it was, like, what is it with the thought process because I know if I'm going to eventually lose the weight and I want to keep it off, I don't want to gain it back. I know that I have to change my behavior. So that's what I was working on. And now that I found like the secret sauce, I'm kind of like, I want to share this with everybody. Have I planned my next trip? Hey, Wendy, thanks for asking. Greece is the next trip and I'm going to launch it like mid-May. So hang tight, Wendy. Keep following along. Like mid-May is when I'm going to start putting out all the signups for that one. So, and it's this resort is amazing, and it's like a 5-star resort, and it's oh man, it looks amazing. How many calories do you allow yourself in a single day? So that is, for myself, my RMR now is crazy high, but that's because I have muscle. I have muscle mass. I have allowed myself to have a crazy high RMR. My resting metabolic rate is right around 2,000. So that means my maintenance calories are right around 2,400 calories. I can eat that much in a day and not gain weight. That did not happen overnight. I promise you it did not happen overnight. And you know what's even better? Tomorrow, thank you for asking this question, by the way. Tomorrow, I'm going to post a picture of one of my clients. Her name is Stephanie. And I'm going to post a picture of her. She started at a calorie deficit around 1,400. Homegirl is now eating like 1,800 calories. And she's not only lost weight, she's keeping it off. She's gained muscle. And now she's eating more than she ever has before. And she's got that freedom. She's got the freedom because she followed the plan. And so it is a beautiful thing when clients find that freedom. I am looking for some more questions. If anybody else has a few more questions, it's 7:15. I have a few more minutes. If you have a question, please feel free to ask. And if you missed the beginning, you can go back to my Instagram page and watch the whole thing. I talked about some shifts that we need to make in order to be more consistent as a woman over 40 with a fat loss goal. So that's what I talked about. But I also talked about my free masterclass that I'm offering next week and May 4th and 5th. And if you want to sign up for my free masterclass, you can go to the link in my bio or thecaloriedeficitqueen.com. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Thank you for saying that out loud. I struggle to get started and stay on plan. That is normal. When you say that, I want you to know that there are thousands of women who are like, yes, me too. Amen. Right? Like that is a real thing. So there are actually systems to be put in place to help you with getting started. In fact, one of my pillars of, I am the Calorie Deficit Queen, but my coaching program is called Form Fit. It stands for Mind Shift, Meal Shift, Micro Habits, and Muscle Building. And when those 4 M's work together, then we see the results. But micro habits, one of the pillars of micro habits is the word start, because that is a problem that I have seen a pattern with women is getting started and how they get started and how much we do when we get started. So great question about that. Do I track macros? I did when I was in a fat loss phase. Yes. Did I track all macros? No. Surprisingly, I did not. I know what y'all are thinking. Did I track my carbs? No, I did not track my carbs. And most of my clients, not all of them, because not everybody's the same. I don't cookie cutter this for anybody. A lot of my clients do not track carbs. Why? Because women over 40 went through that whole era where it was like, you must eat low carb. Don't eat a potato. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We have to release that from who we are in order to, and focus on the numbers that really move the needle. And I teach that. Come to my free masterclass. I'm going to go over a few things in my masterclass that will be valuable. I'm looking real quick. Okay. Let me see if I see any other questions. Okay. So let me just end with the idea that fat loss after 40 is 100% possible. I know it's possible because I've seen it over and over and over again with clients. And I am here to tell you, I'm proof that it happens. I have hundreds of clients that are proof that it happens. I can tell you that, and I'm going to post a picture of one of them tomorrow. So come back to my page tomorrow. It'll be in my stories. It'll be a post. I can tell you that if you have been trying diet and exercise, and it has not been working for you, it's probably because you haven't yet tried Mind Shift and Micro Habits. And those are 2 of the 4 M's in 4M Fit. That's 2 of the 4. That's half the battle, y'all. Those are 2 of the things that if you have not tried those things, do something different. Do something different, get different results. Thank y'all for coming. And again, y'all head to thecaloriedeficitqueen.com. Find that masterclass. I'm teaching it free next week. I'm going to go deep into all these things next week. And May 4th and May 5th. Again, thecaloriedeficitqueen.com or link in my bio. Thanks for showing up, y'all.